Hi guys, welcome to Ollyboard, and in this video you are going to learn two different type of methods to solve two different questions from quantitative aptitude, and after that you can solve this kind of questions within seconds. Okay, so enjoy the method and let's begin. So here is the first question, that when x is added to each of 9, 15, 21 and 31, the numbers so obtained are in proportion. What is the mean proportional between the numbers 3x minus 2 and 5x plus 4? क्या बोल रहा, अगर x को हम 9, 15, 21 एंड 31 से ऐड कर दें तो जो नंबर्स मिलेंगे वो क्या होंगे, प्रपोर्शन में होंगे. देन यू हैव टू फाइंड द मीन प्रपोर्शन बिटवीन 3x minus 2 and 5x plus 4. What is the meaning of this? That is, according to the question, if you add x with 9, if you add x with 15, if you add x with 21, if you add x with 31, these four numbers will be in proportion. ये चारों numbers proportion में होंगे. This is the meaning of the question. Clear? Now, how you can solve this question for x within seconds? Okay, कैसे आप इसे solve कर सकते हैं x की value find करने के लिए? So there is a first method, that is cross multiplication method, but it can be lengthy also. And there is another method, that value putting. Okay, आप x की value assume करके यहाँ पे put करें and जो satisfy करे that will be your value of x. But that is also a lengthy and time taking method. What you need to do in this kind of question is that see the difference between the numerator and denominator. क्या है यहाँ पे numerator and denominator के बीच का difference? Here is 6 and here is 10. Now आपको इस 6 को राइट हैंड साइड में मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है, या तो न्यूमरेटर की इक्वेशन से या तो डिनोमिनेटर से की इक्वेशन से. सिमिलरली this 10 you have to multiply this 10 to the left hand side of the equation, either from the numerator or from the denominator. Clear? Now मैं इस 6 को यहाँ पे x plus 21 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ. I'm multiplying this 6 with x plus 21 and similarly this 10 with x plus 9. Okay, either you have to take the numerator values, okay, or either you can take the denominator values. Okay, अगर आप 6 से न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं देन आपको 10 से भी न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. सिमिलरली अगर आप 6 से डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो आपको इस 10 को भी डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करके यू हैव टू इक्वेट बोथ इक्वेशंस. क्लियर? एंड हियर फ्रॉम हियर यू कैन गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. ये कितना हो जाएगा? ये हो जाएगा 126. हियर यू विल गेट 10x एंड इट इज 90. 4x you will get 4x equals to 36, that is value of x. Easily you can find within seconds, that is x equals to 9. This is the value of x. Now you have to find the mean proportion between 3x minus 2 and 5x plus 4. क्या हो जाएगा ये आपका? Put the value of x here. Here you will get 25 and here you will get 9 5s are 45 plus 4 49. That is 5 into 7. 35 will be the correct answer. 35 will be the correct answer for this question. Okay, so within 30 seconds you can solve this question. Similarly, the second one, the population of a village was 9600 in a year with the increase in population of males by 8% and that of female by 5%. The population of village became 10,272. What was the number of males in the village before increase? बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. क्या बोल रहा है? इनिशियली एक विलेज की पॉपुलेशन 9600 थी. नाउ आफ्टर 1 ईयर द पॉपुलेशन बिकम हाउ मच? 10,272. पॉपुलेशन 10,272 हो गई. मीन्स कितनी इंक्रीज हो गई? 672. देयर इज अ इंक्रीज ऑफ 672. नाउ number of males increased by 8% and number of females increased by 5%. ठीक है, males 8% से बढ़े, females 5% से बढ़ी. So what is the best approach to solve this? That see, यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? If females are increasing by 5% and males are increasing by 8%, what is the meaning of this? That yes, males are also increasing by 5% but they are increasing 3% extra. मेल्स 5% तो एक्स्ट्रा हो ही रहे हैं बट ये फीमेल से 3% एक्स्ट्रा इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं. सो ओवरऑल देयर इज अ इंक्रीज ऑफ 5%. ओवरऑल 5% तो पॉपुलेशन में इंक्रीज हो ही रहा है एंड 9600 वाज द इनिशियल पॉपुलेशन. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ 1%? इट इज 96. So what is the value of 5%? 96 multiplied by 5. That is how much? 480. So 5% increase means 480 people बढ़ जाते. But कितने बढ़े हैं? 672. So what is the difference between 672 and 5% value? That is 480. It is just subtract them. You will get what? 192. And why this 192 you are getting still? Because men जो थे वो 3% एक्स्ट्रा इंक्रीज हो रहे थे. men जो थे वो 3% एक्स्ट्रा इंक्रीज हो रहे थे, which means this 192 is nothing but it is the value of 3%. जो 3% एक्स्ट्रा men इंक्रीज हुए वही है 192 की वैल्यू. So 3% represents 192. What is the value of 1% then? That is 3 6 18 and 3 4 12. So 100% value will be what? 6400, and this is the number of men initially. This is the number of men initially. Clear? So C option will be the correct answer. That is 6400. Similarly, when you will subtract this 64 with 9600, you will get the number of females initially. That is 3200. Is it understood? So this is very easy and very nice method to solve this question. Okay. So guys, I hope you enjoyed these two concepts, and so don't waste your time and start your preparation today with Oliboard and join our Mission SSC CGL course 2020 right now.